Stand up in the fight for cybersecurity. Every day, approximately 5 million records are stolen, which breaks down to over 50 each second. Since 2013, nearly 10 billion records have been lost or stolen, impacting organizations around the world. Today, there is a severe shortage of qualified candidates to fill cybersecurity job roles. The field of cybersecurity will have about 2.5 million unfilled roles over the next 5 years, and there are currently 250,000 unfilled positions. In an industry expected to have opportunity exceeding $100 billion, why are these jobs going unfilled? Ultimately, there are not enough people entering the industry to keep up with the demand for cybersecurity specialists, and oftentimes those in the industry do not have the job skills necessary to effectively fulfill their job requirements. How can you prepare yourself? The first step is ensuring you have the essential skills to handle the demands of the industry. In today's technological climate, not earning your cybersecurity certification would be a dire mistake. Anybody can learn about cybersecurity issues, but certification proves to potential employers that you can apply your knowledge to actually resolve the problem. With a shortage of talent in the industry, it is the most surefire way to set yourself apart. Prepare for your certification exam with Kaplan IT training. We offer practice tests and hands-on training. Don't get left behind in the fight against cyber attacks. Take the first step to securing your place in the industry.